Hello guys, so this is part 2
Nice.
because we ended the video because
Part 2, guys.
yeah, so we are already 22 kills our
I
enemies and we are almost about to win.
Yeah, I have 6 kills.
Yes,
You have
I have 1 kill because my teammates always steal.
10 kills. Standing. Where are you?
Wait.
This Nana is gonna kill him. Okay, guys, please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Yes, for follow.
Like and subscribe if you want diamonds and comment your username on ML Roblox. Depends where you want what you want. Nah, no way, ni cross.
Huh?
Ni cross. The Lord, aka Thor, the one in the middle, is really strong. Oh, go ahead.
And you have one. You have only 3 kills. And I died 4 times.
Easy.
And I died 4 times.
Pupul and Kupal. As you can see, my teammates keep stealing my kills, but it's okay. At least we'll win. Yeah.
I know. Kind of.
No way.
Lord,
Mid. Argos, Jawhead, and Granger is in mid.
On me.
Top. Hey, you chill. Easy. Jawhead. Easy. Oh, I ride. Yo, it's possible. Push. Easy.
Yes.
Easy. Next game.
Yeah. I feel MVP is
1-1.
Yes, 1-1. Yo.
Oh no.
I'm
It's
only
okay.
silver.
Me too.
You
How
see?
much kill
you have?
I have 1 kill because my teammates keep
I have
stealing.
8 kills. You have
Quit.
3 kills. Out. Waitin talaga ako. Purple. I still recording. Start game.
Wait.
You have skin. Green flash.
Love this. That's a trial card.
Yeah, try it.
Start.
I will start.
Yes. Okay.
Hey, I'm going zero. Okay, guys.
Alpha. Yeah.
And you will go kill me. I go to 1-1. Yes, I know.
Okay. Use 1-1. 1-1 is strong because they buffed it.
Yeah. I only want 0. Go.
Yeah.
Ikaw dyan. Sa Korean, Neko?
Yeah.
Sa Japan, Neko?
Nah, that's
Let's
safe.
report this one.
Okay.
No,
How
report.
did you do this?
Game cancelled. This game, bro.
Yes. I'm gonna use different this time.
I have 2. I will use 2 or no?
Up to you. I will use Hanabi.
No, use 1-1. This not 1-1.
Hanabi, Sanjo.
How to use the skin, bro? Bro, how to use the skin? Here. 1-1.
You go jungle.
Inspire.
You go jungle. You go jungle.
This is inspire.
We need jungler here. You see?
Inspire.
Our friend
Inspire. This inspire.
Here.
Inspire nako.
1-1. You need to go jungle because here no one's at jungle.
Yeah.
So go jungle. Confirm.
Bruh.
Yeah, that's good.
Magpatay kag mga jungle katong mga kon ba?
Halimaw.
Oh, halimaw. Yati, makaya mo kayo mapatay.
Ba ni mo? This
Ya,
is
kung
a friendly
pag-human mo,
channel.
pag-human mo patay sa tanan ko, jungle niya, pwede na ka makapatay 5 anak kakuan.
Dani.
Mga savage na
ayaw
ka na.
mo. Ayaw mo pag-ingog bad words.
Yeah. Sorry guys. Future star. Whoa!
Sige
Ayaw,
sila
chill.
maganahan sa iyo.
Oh, wow. Future chill.
Bad tagbaba.
Future star. Sorry guys. Jade Blossom.
Sorry for the bad words.
Yeah.
We just forgot.
This Jade Blossom?
Jade
Girl
Blossom.
Scott.
Who is Jade,
Jade
Blossom?
Blossom. Here.
Kagura.
What's that?
Kagura.
I know how to use direct.
Candy Blossom. I'm Hanabi. Sanjo.
Look, Hanabi man ka. How's the Hanabi?
5 seconds.
Mas kahit ano ka. Spotty at
Marksman. Rely upon equipment. Take the gold lane to farm fast.
Hellfire.
Cool.
Enliven si Higambana.
Gun ba na? No. Ay.
Animals.
Or pwede naman po, dili ka mag-ina.
Tabang. Dagang kay Drake.
Tap lang ko, tap. Untap.
Nasilukat ka daw.
Mid. Tabangan si, gitabangan si Janjan.
Yummy.
Yeah. Coming. Guys, si Blossom na dira, si Blossom.
Yes.
Jade Blossom.
Blossom is here. Bro, I died.
No, you won't.
Yeah, you won. Okay. This game
Sam.
Lusting for power makes
Sam.
them weak.
Just like finally have. I'm going out.
Protect. You're using already the skin. You're using the skin already here. You see? Look.
Bruh,
You're using the skin.
I did not use the skin.
Here, look
Yeah,
at
yeah,
it.
bro.
I see it.
Yeah.
You think I'm blind?
It's bug.
Yeah, maybe.
It's so much here.
Here, on me too, on me.
Yeah, I wait. I'm here.
On me.
Direct. Hi.
Lol.
Direct on me.
Kagura.
Yeah.
Go, Kagura, 1-1. Carl, on Kagura. Hey, TP pakado.
Bro, I died.
Let me go.
It's okay, I only died.
Yo, what the heck?
Always remember my enemies.
And the
There's
flag.
much I've learned from them.
What?
Let's go.
Follow. Kagura, mid. Yo.
I did not even get one kill.
Nah, in a way. Here. Hey, follow, John.
I protect, bro. No.
Battle spell.
Hey, follow. Push. Uy, Here, John, mid. Nah.
Bro, do not get single kills.
They're strong. God mode on.
Yeah, that's God mode.
God mode on. How to use God mode?
Is never as far away as it seems.
Kita mo God mode. Dili sila. We are on God mode. No, Dairot, run! 1-1, run! Nah.
Oh, bro, Dairot is here.
Dairot is overpowered.
He's gonna kill me. Any kills.
Ali, jump!
She's strong. What about me, bro? Bro,
It's okay,
that's mine. You stole it from me. I got it. Bro, I died.
It's okay.
Can you crash out?
Ali, dyan. Pag-iyan ni dyan.
I don't have any kills, bro.
Nah, tama. Help.
On me.
Ayo.
On me. Bruh, you're not helping.
I'm alone. I died from this.
Bruh, I don't have any kills yet.
It's okay. But it's a weak spot. Janjan, wait. So I will help you get a kill. Follow Yancies.
Come on me. On me. There's a Dairot.
Wait, chill.
On me.
Dairot, buko.
I died, bruh.
Easy. Home.
You don't want.
Follow me. Follow me. I will help you get kills. Wait, I'll wait for you. Let's wait for Janjan. Tara.
Lucas, bro.
Tara, G. Hey, Lucas. Let's kill Lucas. The monster. This first. Tara, mid. Mid. Tara, go. No!
What the?
Nice one. Run! Dagan! Oh, no.
Bruh.
It's okay.
What about?
Only one of our teammates is alive.
Yeah.
Nah, anyway.
Ooh.
Headshot.
Let's go, Hanabi. Let's go for Dairot.
Ayaw na. Makita na.
This Dairot ay good.
Nah, anyway. It's okay.
Yeah, you died.
Yes.
You died already. I'm ready to show you now. What?
Be careful. Be careful. They're ambushing. You see? They're ambushing. Push, push. Kill, kill, kill. Sabay, sabay.
Yo, I see you, bro.
Follow them. Kagura and Lalia is there.
Come on there. You're tree. Right, guys.
They're too strong. No. I just okay.
You're lost.
Oh, let's hide and push.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will ambush him.
Let's push their base so we'll win. Wait for us. Wait for us. Yes, we win. We win. Look. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Yes.
Enemy team considers defeat.
Yes. They quit.
2 win streaks.
Let's play Joy Garden.
No. Later.
Bruh, how? I want to play Joy Garden.
Okay, so let's go. Oh, the way to rise your bed.
Pagdula naman.
Ano?
Try nyo.
Emblems. Wait.
Invite kami.
Wait.
Invite na kasama. Muna.
Click and
Done?
done.
Start. I will start. Wait for 2 minutes.
Start.
I will use to, but I don't know how to item. What is this? You're going to Mia, bro. I don't know how to use.
Two flicker.
Okay, I will try to. I will using two. This guy. I report.
Last game and we'll continue to grow a garden.
Okay, this is a long time.
Let's see. I think we're gonna defeat them easily.
Let's try. You don't have juice? There's fun. Yeah, you don't have.
I do what I want to do.
By road or not?
Point out all the injustice in the world.
Is that the truth? Ako nag-yin ko.
Akong main. You're using my main hero, Yin.
Who's Yin?
This.
Let me see.
The strongest.
Sulod ng kwarto.
Dali lang dyan, dali. Makasaktan.
Sulod. Okay, guys, let's go. Sorry, but with Doros, Hanabi, and Nana, and Chanji, and Gord. Huh?
Gourd.
Ako
na. That's mine. Don't steal it. Mother Helen.
Bro, you're stealing.
You're
I
stealing.
don't steal.
Steal and grow a garden.
Why did you took her money?
His.
Welcome to Mobile
I
Legends.
mean, his. What is it?
Again. I don't know.
All truths are void.
But why did you use it? Who are using the gun?
Arrow.
Help! Bruh, you're not struggling.
He's getting beat up by gold. Dead. Yeah. I told you, don't use me. Okay.
Understood. Your strategies are pitiful.
No, don't shoot them. You, so strong. The late game is so strong this one. Late game Yin is so strong. And Dairon.
Bruh, I keep dying. Idora is keep killing me.
Odora?
Oh, shh. Yeah. So, I'm
Would
going to
recognize.
Hanabi!
Nah, Nana is strong.
Hanabi is pushing, bro. There's
He's there. Baba tani Ay, good. Pag naman bisita ni Mama, di naman siya ko si Mama dahil kung nasa diri. Pero kung nasa sila Gilo diri, di man sila Mama kailan eh.
Bro, I keep dying.
Nah, they're too strong.
Yeah, I know.
Diyan, dali lang. Kay. Kaya ba?
No.
Bukak ka ba?
Ganda na.
Okay.
Anak. Okay, help me, bro. Follow me.
Tara.
Go, Yancy. Go.
Nah, anyway.
Let's go.
Oh. Okay, wait.